Okay, I'm gonna show you how to repair this broken wire. So last time when I tried to replace the old battery, I accidentally broke those wire. I assume this is a sensor wire. This wire goes to this plug and then the other end goes to this positive terminal. But unfortunately, as you can see here, it broke into two parts. So now I'm gonna show you how to fix this. You need to go to Walmart or AutoZone to buy this splice connectors. And this box has 15 connectors. It's only about $3. It's quite useful. Let me show you how to use this. Let's just grab one. So those connectors can connect two wires, connect the ends together. So as you can see here, it's a through hole, and you need to strip the wires to expose the copper, and you're gonna stick this end of the wire into this connector, and you're gonna stick another part of the wire, this end of the wire, to the other end of this tube, this connector. Now you're gonna clamp this connector. This connector is gonna hold two wires together, and it's pretty easy to do. So I simply stick this wire into the connector, and you just need to clamp this wire first. So fortunately I have a clamping tool. So I'm going to use this tool to clamp the wire. So I simply clamped on the left side to hold this wire in place first. Then I'm going to go to the car to put another wire inside to clamp on this end. Then finally I'm going to clamp at the middle to connect both wires. Okay, so stick this end to the connector. I'm going to clamp on this side to hold the wire in place. Okay. So now I have both wires in place. I'm going to clamp at the center of that connector. This would connect both wires together. Okay. Another round. Okay. All right. Now let's do a pull test. Looks like pretty tight. I believe we fixed this wire. Okay. So this sensor wire comes with a insulation tube, a sleeve. I will simply just slide this sleeve on the wire to protect the wire from the environment. It's a little bit tight, so it's hard to slide the wires through. Just gonna be patient. Almost there. There we go. Now we have this sleeve thing on the wire, and we're ready to connect this end to the positive terminal, and we will be done. Right, so let's put this wire on this bolt. Just be careful. Oops. Stick that and grab the bolt, the 10mm bolt. Put this on there. And tighten this up. Okay, now we're good. So we have fixed this wire, this sensor wire. And now, please don't forget to plug in this connector into the plug. I can hear a click. Now it's in place. And I salvaged this clamp, zip tie clamp, from this wire. So we're gonna clamp this wire. Clamp this wire to this right terminal wire, and zip tie this back to zip tie them together.